Have you ever heard a wild story about a bizarre local law, like it is illegal to carry an ice cream cone in your back pocket on a Sunday? It is easy to chuckle at these strange regulations, but it might make you wonder if you could actually get into trouble for one of them. The good news is that cities very rarely enforce truly forgotten or obsolete local laws. While these quirky ordinances might technically still be on the books, somewhere in an old dusty code, active enforcement is almost non-existent unless there is a very specific modern context that makes them relevant, usually related to public safety or nuisance. There are several compelling reasons why modern municipalities choose to let these legal oddities lie dormant. Firstly, city resources are finite. Police departments and city attorneys have limited time and budgets, and they must prioritize addressing current issues that directly impact community safety and welfare. Spending time enforcing a law about keeping donkeys in bathtubs would simply divert resources from more pressing concerns. Secondly, there is the matter of public perception. Enforcing a genuinely bizarre or outdated law can lead to widespread ridicule, erode public trust, and make the city seem out of touch. It is often more trouble than it is worth. Thirdly, many old laws might conflict with modern state or federal statutes, or even constitutional rights, making them very difficult to successfully prosecute in court. Prosecutors would face an uphill battle trying to defend the validity of such an enforcement. Finally, many jurisdictions have processes, even if informal, for reviewing and eventually repealing truly obsolete laws, often as part of a larger code revision project. So, how can you know if a strange law is actually something to worry about? The best approach is to check your local municipal code online or contact your city clerk's office directly. Most cities today strive for transparency and will have their current ordinances readily accessible. If a law seems truly out of place, chances are it is either actively ignored or has been effectively superseded by newer regulations, even if not formally repealed. Focus on the spirit of community safety and respect, and you will likely avoid any run-ins with these historical curiosities. This phenomenon touches on a fascinating legal concept called desuetude, which suggests a law can become unenforceable through prolonged non-use and a community's tacit abandonment of it. While American courts generally do not formally recognize desuetude as a way to nullify a law, the principle reflects how enforcement discretion often works in practice. Think of blue laws, which once restricted activities on Sundays, like purchasing certain goods. Many of these are still technically on the books in various places, but they are rarely enforced, or they have been repealed due to changing societal norms. The real trick for cities is balancing historical legal consistency with modern practical governance. Ultimately, the primary goal of any city's legal framework is to ensure a safe, orderly, and functional community for its residents. While archaic laws might offer a humorous glimpse into the past, their practical impact on daily life is minimal. Understanding that city officials prioritize current community needs over enforcing historical peculiarities allows us all to appreciate legal history without unnecessary worry about those truly forgotten local rules.